We all have same body, same mind, same physique. But how do we use our time decides what we will become. Some of you are using your time in library. Whenever you get time, you go to the library. You take up the best books, read them, right, prepare notes, write something on them. You try to transform yourself. You are trying to transform yourself. You are trying to develop yourself. You are investing your time in your future. But it is not with everybody. There are some people who are just wasting away their time. They are also having a 2 kg mind. Still, they are not able to understand and they are wasting away their time. So I request all of you, use your time very constructively and very carefully. Use every second that you have got very carefully. What should you do? Every day, try to read one book of inspiration. You may read one biography. You may read about some inspiring person. You may read about life of some great person. Or you may read some inspiring textbook. Plenty of great books are available. Read some great book, some good novel, something really very good. There are a lot of useless books. Don't read them. There are a lot of useless books, but try to pick up really good book, inspiring book. Your life, it is your life. If you will read a bad book, you will make a bad boy of yourself. If you read a good book, you will become a great person. Therefore, read good books. Be very careful, be very choosy. Pick up the books which are really very good books. Don't pick up useless stuff that is there available in plenty. So, read good books. That is the one most important thing. I will not ask you to read the entire newspaper because plenty of criminal reports are available in the newspaper which will spoil your mind, which will give negativity. No need to read the entire newspaper. Read only the editorial page, read sports page, read business page if you are having little bit business acumen. That's all. Political news is always dirty. I'll not ask you to read them, but at least read the editorial page, which will also cover analysis of current political, social, economic analysis. So read the entire editorial pages so that you can come to know what is happening in the world, where are we going, what is happening, and how should we prepare ourselves for the challenges. So read the editorial pages, which are there in the middle of the newspaper. So read them. And structure your life. Structure your life means give your life the desired shape. You are not born great. You have to make yourself great. You are not born Einstein. You are not born greatest person. You can become greatest if you structure your life. Right? So God has given you the body. All other things you have to put in yourself. The God has given you so much surrounding, so many situations. The God has given you the best parents. The God has given you the best teachers. Now we all request you, please give yourself structure. Structure your life. Start getting up early in the morning before sunrise. Get up before sunrise. Right? Undertake yoga. Right? Which will definitely help you. First thing that you have to do is controlling your emotions, controlling your body, controlling yourself, which you learn through pranayama, which you will learn through yoga. These are the most important starting pillars for you. They will help you. Once you have done them, thereafter take care. Take care of yourself, your body requirement. If you require, then take breakfast. But take fresh breakfast, something which can really give you energy, which can give you, the ecstasy, joy, happiness. So take Breakfast very carefully, very calculated breakfast. Don't eat excess, eat less than what you really require. And thereafter, structure your daily schedule. What you have to do, devote yourself to your passion. If you have to study something, study that subject in which you have passion. If you don't have passion, you will not be able to enjoy it. Enjoy every activity that you are part of. If you are studying, enjoy your studies. If you are doing something, start loving that work. That will help you in giving the shape to your future. Immerse yourself into something that can help you in transforming yourself. And slowly in this way, the life will continue to grow and you will be able to experience transformation. Through this transformation, you will be able to help the society. You will be able to help the nation. You will be able to help everybody around you. And ultimately, you'll be able to flourish. You'll be able to get your goals. You'll be able to do what you want to do. Look at people from Japan. Look at people from Hunja community. Their average age is more than 100 years. It is not by chance. It is because they follow those principles very carefully. They understand the nature well. They understand the impact of natural phenomena. Because these people, they are very careful about what they are eating. They are very careful about their lifestyle. They are very careful about leading a good and happy life. And therefore, they are able to complete their full age. They are able to lead a life up to 100 years or 105 years or 110 years. Learn from them and make yourself live long, live happy, live with peace and prosperity. These are your rights. Therefore, follow them and become what you deserve to become, the happiest men on this planet.